Okay, class 10. Now today we are going to solve exercise 13.1, surface areas and volumes. So question number 1, solution number 1 is two cubes each of volume 64 centimeter. Two cubes, there are two cubes each of volume 64 centimeter cube. This is the face, one face of the cube, then another face. Two cubes each of 64 centimeter cube. This is also 64 centimeter cube. Are joined end to end. Joined end to end. Joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. If you join these two cubes, you will get the cuboid. So cuboid, first we will calculate the age of cube. Let the age of cube be x. Let the age of each cube be x centimeter. Now it is given that the volume of each cube is 64 centimeter cube. So volume of each cube is equals to 64 centimeter cube. Volume of each cube is 64 centimeter cube. Now we have to put the formula of volume of cube is x cube equals to 64 centimeter cube. So x cube equals to, now what is the cube root of 64? It is 4. 4 centimeter whole cube. So cube cancel from left hand side and right hand side. So x equals to 4 centimeter. Therefore age of each cube x equals to 4 centimeter. That means this is 4, this is 4, this is 4, this is 4. Now first we will calculate the length of the cuboid, breadth of the cuboid and height of the cuboid. Now length of cuboid. Length of cuboid, it is L equals to this plus this. This is length. So it is 4 plus 4 centimeter equals to 8 centimeter. Now breadth of cuboid. Breadth of cuboid B equals to, it is 4 centimeter. Height of cuboid H equals to, so height is also 4 centimeter. Now we can calculate the surface area of resulting solid. Therefore surface area of resulting cuboid Now first we have to write the formula to L plus B into B plus H, L plus LB plus BH plus HL. So this equals to 2. What is L? L is 8 into B is 4 plus 4 into H is 4 plus H is 4 and L is 8. it is in centimeter square. The area is in centimeter square. So this equals to 2. 8 into 4 is 32 plus 4 16 plus this is also 32 centimeter square. Now this 2 into this plus this is 80 because 32 64 plus 16 is 80 centimeter square. So this equals to 2 into 80 is 160 centimeter square. Now this is the answer of question number 1. Now move to question number 2. Okay, one thing, if in question number 1, find the surface area of the resulting cuboid, means we need to calculate the total surface area. Surface area means total surface area. So move to question number 2. Question number 2 is question number 2 solution. The question is, a vessel is in the form of hollow hemisphere mounted by hollow cylinder. Vessel is in the form of hollow hemisphere mounted by hollow cylinder. So it is hollow hemisphere. It is mounted by hollow cylinder. It is mounted by hollow cylinder. The diameter of the hemisphere is 14 centimeters. So diameter of the hemisphere is 14 centimeter. So diameter is 14 centimeter. And the height, total height of the vessel is 13. So total height is 13. It is 13 centimeter. Find the inner surface area of the vessel. So it is hollow, means inside the cylinder there is an empty space. In hemisphere there is also empty space. So we need to calculate the inner surface area of the vessel. First, so diameter of hemisphere and diameter of cylinder are same, equal. So diameter equals to 14 centimeter. Then we will calculate the radius. Radius R equals to 14 divided by 2, because the radius is the half of the diameter. Half of the diameter is radius, centimeter. So this equals to 7 centimeter. So we can write here it is 7 centimeter. Radius is 7 centimeter. Now we have to calculate the height of cylindrical portion. Now height of cylindrical portion. Total height is 13. Total height of the vessel is equals to 13 centimeter. It is 13 centimeter. Now we will calculate the height of cylindrical portion. So height of cylindrical portion. Height of cylindrical portion. H equals to 13 is the total height. Now 13 minus 7. If you subtract 7 from the 13, you will get only this portion length. 13 minus 7 equals to this. So it is the height of the cylinder. So minus 7 centimeter. So this equals to 13 minus 7 is 6 centimeter. Now we can calculate the inner surface area of the vessel. Therefore inner surface area. Inner surface area of vessel. For inner surface, hemisphere is hollow, means there is no any flat surface, and cylinder is also hollow, means cylinder also has no flat surface. So in this situation, So inner surface area of vessel will be CSA of hemisphere or CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of cylinder. So we will write CSA means chord surface area of cylinder plus chord surface area of hemisphere. Okay, now we have to put the formula of CSA of cylinder. So CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH. So it is 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH plus CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi R square. Chord surface area 2 pi R square. So this equals to, we can take 2 pi R common. 2 pi R is common. Now it is H plus R. Now we can put the value. 2 into what is the value of pi? 22/7 into radius is 7. Now H is 6 plus R is 7. It is in centimeter square. So we can cut 7, 7. So 2 into 22 is 44 into 13 centimeter square. So 44 into 13 is 3 4 12, 3 4 12, 13, 144, 144. So this equals to 275, 572. This equals to 572 centimeter square. Okay, this is the solution of question number 2. Okay, this was for today. Thank you.